This 2015 Itasca Sunstar 30T is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features a beige, cherry interior, sleep 7, slide out, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, water heater, TV antenna, refrigerator, awning, skylight, stovetop burner, and 78 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front living area, rear bedroom. This 2015 Itasca Sunstar 30T is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.